An engine that is running clean, high-quality fuel, properly blended for the temperature conditions, typically doesn't need a fuel additive. However, a diesel fuel additive can help when fuel quality is suspect and temperatures turn cold. The right fuel additive can enhance key attributes of your fuel, but some additives on the market today provide little or no value. Bobcat All-Tier Winter Diesel Fuel Additive is a proprietary blend chosen by Bobcat engineers after testing other available additives. It's the only choice proven to provide the level of performance expected from the Bobcat brand. General benefits of the All-Tier Winter Diesel Fuel Additive are: it cleans and prevents injector deposits to maximize horsepower and fuel economy. It prevents fuel soot and sludge formation to extend filter, injector, and fuel pump life. It increases cetane up to 5 numbers for faster, smoother, fuel-efficient starting that minimizes wear on the electrical system. It enhances thermal and oxidation stability to increase storage life of the diesel fuel. It enhances corrosion protection for the fuel system and storage tank. It increases water dispersion to help safely and gradually remove water in equipment and storage tanks. And it's effective in all diesel fuels, including ultra-low sulfur diesel and up to B20 biodiesel blends. Cold weather benefits of the All-Tier Winter Diesel Fuel Additive are: it provides superior cold flow properties to help prevent gelling and filter plugging. It significantly reduces the cold filter plugging point temperature. It prevents wax from settling during extended shutdowns in cold climates. And it aids against fuel filter icing. A few other things to remember when using fuel additives. Always follow the directions on the label and do not exceed the treat rate recommendations. Using more than recommended can actually be counterproductive. Also, additives are not a suitable replacement for properly blended number 1 and number 2 diesel because they do not improve fuel cloud point. Always start with the proper winter blend.